It's something that we have always kind of kept an eye on and researched and followed the technology and the development of the Tesla roofs. And we even looked at doing it in our old house, but it didn't quite work out. And everything just kind of lined up here, and we decided now was the time.
Perfect. I think the benefits of clean energy, having the ability to go off-grid or have backup power later was also good, but also our house generates in excess a bit of our typical usage, so we really like the idea that we're giving clean energy to our neighbors as well through the grid.
Yep.
This episode brings us to the beautiful Colorado Springs, and this Kansas boy totally gets lost in these views, a bit too much. I loved talking to Brian and Rachael not only because they were super cool and have a beautiful family, but because they had an incredible outlook on owning a solar roof. They really are looking at the big picture and how they want to invest in this technology and add a net positive benefit to their home and also to their neighbors by putting electricity back into the grid.
We needed to replace our roof anyway. It was a shingle roof, so we had the insurance check, but also there's sizable federal credits to help pay for it. So that was another decision. Plus, in this generation of solar roof, it's a lot cheaper than the previous generation. So all those things kind of came together at the right time where we're thinking that we wanted just a high quality solar solution and a roof for a house that we're going to live on or live in for a really long time. So it all came together.
Absolutely. Yeah. Brian and Rachael have an 8 kilowatt system with all the photovoltaic tiles installed on this huge south-facing roof plane. Their house worked so well for solar roof because of this and its relative simplicity. Along with the great sun exposure and low tree interference, this home has a lot of solar capturing potential.
We were able to call them, and they do so many slots a year, and so they were able to come out in early spring and talk to us about the process. And I think Brian got the emails to update us on the status, so we were always updated with where we were at because there's a lot of permits that are involved with getting a solar roof. Mm-hmm. And once everything was approved, they were pretty much out here the next week.
Yeah. And I'm kind of impressed considering this is a city that they haven't worked in before, and the amount of things that have to go into making this product possible, and the fact that they're finishing up right now in July, which is quite reasonable. Just the fact that it all came together and it looks like it's going to be successful. It's very impressive.